Good morning. Last class we have seen types of communication. Today we are going to see barriers of communication, that is the problems of communication. So there are four types of barriers to communication. So first one is physical barrier, second one is psychological barriers, third one is semantic barriers, and fourth one is organizational barriers. Now first one is physical barriers. So physical barriers may arise due to distance or noise. So first one is distance. Here the communication is found obstructed in long distance. If, for example, if there is a communication between America and Nepal, there will be a disturbances in the communication. And second one is noise. It is from external sources and affects the communication process. So noise negatively affects the accuracy. Now second one is psychological barriers. So first one, perception. It is the process of accepting and interpreting the information by the receiver. So here people receive things differently for a various number of reasons. So this is psychological barriers. Second one is filtering. In this process, knowingly or unknowingly, some valuable information may be disposed. And third one is emotion also creates barriers to effective communication, like anger, hate, mistrust, jealousy, etc. So these are the psychological barriers. And next one is viewpoint. It also creates barrier to effective communication. In this, the receiver does not clear the message and ignore without hearing fully. So that is viewpoint barrier. And next one is defensiveness. If the receiver receives the message as threat bhayamutradhu, and interprets the message, interpret means disturbances, in the same way, it creates barriers to effective communication. Now next, semantic barriers. So mainly here the barrier is assigned based on the languages. So first one is language. So if there is a misunderstanding in the language, that is semantic barriers of communication. So a meaning sent by the sender can be quite different from the meaning understood by the receiver. So this is the barrier which arises under the language. And second one is jargons. Here technical or unfamiliar language create barriers. Now next, organizational barriers. It is raised from the organizational goals, regulations, structure and culture. So sometimes the planning may be poor. It may be poor in designing, encoding, channel selections, and there may be some conflicting arising in the organization. And second one is structure complexities. So difficult to in terms of organizational structure. So this one is also a barrier in the organizational. Now next, status differences. Here the superior provides information to the subordinate about plans and policies. So sometimes subordinate have also some views about plans and policies. So in that situation, barrier will be arise between them. Next one is organizational distance. So there will be a distance between sender and receiver in the organization. Next, information overload. If superior provides too much of information to the subordinate in the short period, in that time the subordinate, that is the receiver, suffers from information overload. So this will create barriers to effective communication. And last one is timing. Communication can be obstructed if the information is not provided in a particular time. Okay, so these are the barriers in organization. So first one is physical barriers. So physical barriers means maybe distance or reason irukla. Second one is noise pollution irukla. And then second one is psychological barriers. நம்மளோட perception, view of content மாறலாம், filtering இருக்கலாம், இல்ல emotionsனால இருக்கலாம், viewpoint மாறலாம், defensiveness reason இருக்கலாம். And the next one, semantic barriers. The main reason is language. It may be a normal language or it may be a technical language. And the next, organizational barriers. So mostly barriers will arise in the organization. It may be a poor planning, structure complexities, status differences, organizational distance, information overload, and timing. It may be anything. So these are the barriers of the communication. Okay, thank you.